The last year, I went to an auto showroom for a new car. So I went to au- the auto showroom near my house. I missed shop station. Station was helpful and welcomed me with a nice smile. I went interested like model car and convenient companion whether whenever it's a rain. When after wait 10 minutes, I was to find a car for myself. I give it I give it with $1 million. $1 million. I have I happy and very speed. Uh, I will welcome her also. So thank for listening.